Good morning. Happy Tuesday. So, today's actually going to be a pretty easy day for you for history. I just wanted to show you, you should have already finished part one of your summarizing graphic organizer, which was A and B, and it says stop. It's not due until Friday for Sac State and Monday for University of Hawaii. By Monday, I meant Tuesday. I apologize. So all you have to do is answer C and D, and then put it all together for a summary. We're going to talk about this a little bit in class, but I just wanted to go over it with you so you could see exactly what to do. I do understand that some of you worked ahead because on the message I sent out to parents, I forgot to separate University of Hawaii versus Sac State. But I'm working a little bit more with that this week and trying to be more specific. All you have to do are these three for history. I've included on this slide, I actually added the video of me reading lesson one, which I know you guys have already read it. It's just been a 3-day weekend, so you might want to jump on it again just to refresh your memory. But that video is not necessary. So I hope this helps to kind of give you some ideas of exactly where to go and what is expected today. And this is just the follow-up from the lesson that we did on Thursday. And I hope you guys have had a great weekend. I hope you enjoyed your weekend, and I will see you in class. Thank you.